What is Web3? Imagine the internet, but instead of being controlled by big tech companies, it is owned by the people who use it. That's the promise of Web3, the next evolution of internet. It is like a decentralized internet where everyone has a say and the data is controlled by individuals, not corporations. Think of it as a global community where you can own your digital assets, participate in platforms, and even earn rewards for your contributions. Web3 is powered by blockchain technology, the same technology behind cryptocurrencies. This creates a secure and transparent system where data is stored on a network of computers, not just on a single server. With Web3, you can create, share, and earn in ways never before possible. It is a new era of the internet, one that's more open, more secure, and more empowering to everyone.